Let's talk about the jet engine, the powerhouse that flings a metal tube full of people across the sky at hundreds of miles an hour. Before jet engines, flying was slow. Propeller planes were the hand whisk to the jet's industrial blender. The jet engine changed everything, shrinking the world and making global travel routine. It's not magic, just brilliant physics. Newton's third law in action. The engine blasts hot air out the back and the plane surges forward. Thanks to jet engines, you can have breakfast in London and dinner in New York, or ship flowers from Kenya to Amsterdam overnight. They connect families, businesses, and cultures, making the impossible possible. Without them, our fast-paced global world wouldn't exist. So next time you're at the airport, look at those engines. They're masterpieces of power and precision. They're the reason you're about to defy gravity and cross continents in hours. These are the unsung heroes of modern travel. And now let's see what makes them tick. It's going to be brilliant. Let's peek inside a jet engine. Up front is the fan, a giant multi-bladed mouth gulping air as the plane speeds forward. Most of that air bypasses the engine core, but some heads into the compressor. The compressor is a series of blades, squeezing air tighter and tighter, raising its pressure and temperature. Next is the combustor, where compressed air meets jet fuel and a spark, igniting a controlled, continuous explosion. This creates a torrent of hot, high-pressure gas. That gas rushes through the turbine at the back, spinning its blades at incredible speed. The turbine is connected by a shaft to the compressor and fan, so the exhaust's energy keeps the whole system running. It's a self-sustaining loop, air in, energy out, and the cycle repeats. Every part is engineered for maximum efficiency and power. It's a marvel of design, turning fuel and air into unstoppable thrust. That's the genius inside every jet engine. Let's see how it all works together. Here's how a jet engine works. Suck, squeeze, bang, blow. First suck, the fan pulls in massive amounts of air. Next squeeze. The compressor packs that air down, raising its pressure and temperature. Then bang. The compressed air mixes with fuel in the combustor and ignites, creating a roaring, controlled burn. This produces a surge of hot, high-pressure gas. Finally blow. The gas blasts out the back, spinning the turbine and shooting through the nozzle at incredible speed. The turbine powers the compressor and fan, keeping the cycle going. The result? Thrust, enough to launch a fully loaded plane into the sky. It's a simple, elegant process that lets us conquer the skies. Suck, squeeze, bang, blow, 4 steps, endless possibilities. That's the dance of the jet engine, and it happens thousands of times a second. That's how we fly. The numbers behind jet engines are staggering. The fan blades on a big jet can cost more than a car, and their tips break the sound barrier during takeoff. Each blade is hollow for strength and lightness, yet strong enough to hold a freight train's weight. Most of the air from the fan bypasses the core. This bypass air generates up to 80% of the engine's thrust, making modern engines quieter and more efficient. Inside, temperatures soar above 1,500 degrees Celsius, hotter than the metal's melting point. Ingenious cooling keeps the engine from melting. Tiny holes in turbine blades let cooler air form a protective shield. A single engine on a jumbo jet can produce over 70,000 pounds of thrust. That's the power of thousands of cars, all packed into one engine. All this energy, all this noise, just to get you off the ground. It's engineering at its wildest. And it's what makes modern air travel possible. Now let's see what this means for our world. The jet engine didn't just make planes faster, it rewired the world. Before jets, crossing oceans took days, now it's hours. Suddenly, continents were connected and the world felt smaller. Business, family, and culture could cross borders in a day. Global trade exploded. Fresh food, tech, and medicine could reach anywhere fast. The jet engine sparked a revolution in travel, ideas, and opportunity. Today, thousands of planes crisscross the globe, powered by these reliable machines. They operate in extreme conditions yet rarely fail, a testament to decades of engineering brilliance. The jet engine is the unsung hero of our connected world. It's more than a machine. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and our drive to go further, faster. Every contrail in the sky is a reminder of how jet engines made the world accessible. For a big, noisy tube of metal, that's an incredible legacy. And that's the story of the jet engine,